In this video I'm gonna tell you how to change your WhatsApp name in 2021. So it is easy and simple, so make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. First of all, open WhatsApp application. Now tap on three dots on the upper right corner. Now tap on settings. Once you tap on settings, then you can see many options. So you should have to tap on your account name on the top. Once you tap on this, then you will see three options: your name, your about option, and phone number. So simply tap on your name, and here you can change your WhatsApp name. So let's suppose I am changing it to this one, and now tap on save button. Now it has been changed. So that is the method. Hope you will like this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.